Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to block YouTube channels from appearing in your feed on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. On your YouTube homepage, locate a video title and hover your mouse over the right area. You'll see a 3-dot menu icon appear next to the title. Step 3. Click on the 3-dot menu icon and a list of options will appear. Select Not Interested from the list. Step 4. The video thumbnail will be replaced by a gray card. If you want to provide feedback to YouTube about why you're not interested in this channel, click on Tell us why. Step 5. Choose your answer from the 2 options provided. To prevent more videos from this channel from appearing in your feed, select I don't like the video, and then click Submit. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily block YouTube channels from appearing in your feed on your PC. Enjoy a more personalized browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy browsing and take care.